Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to use PredatorSense like a pro, from boosting performance to keeping your laptop cool. First of all, open the PredatorSense. You can use the keyboard and you will see usually it is near the number lock, and press it, or you can go to here and search here PredatorSense and open this. After opening, you will see the home interface like this. The home dashboard shows system stats, CPU usage. As you can see, CPU, GPU and system usage. It shows the temperature, and to check the fan you can go to the fan control and check the fan controls from here, fan speed and fan control. Now performance control, go to the overclocking tab to adjust GPU speed. In fan control, choose between auto, which is balance cooling. Max is the highest cooling for heavy gaming. Custom set fan curves manually. You can custom the fan. And also don't forget to toggle cool boost on for extra cooling power. And another part is RGB lighting. Head to the lighting tab. If you go to the scenario and you will see the pulsar lighting, you can use the two area. You can change the keyboard color from here. Select one and choose the color whichever you want. You can also increase or decrease the brightness from here and choose the color whichever you want, and select 2 and choose like this. After you have done, simply go back. Or you can use the glower, you can use the neon, you can adjust the speed from here. You can reset the lighting setting effect from here, and this is the brightness how much you want to keep it. And in the advanced setting you will see the voice automatic and the other option here. And in the game sync and app center, moving on to the game sync and app center, you can quickly access and manage other apps from one place to another. As you can see, you can use the other application from here also. Some models let you control network prioritization directly in the app, as you can see. And that's the complete PredatorSense guide. Now you can overclock, cool, optimize lighting and monitor your PredatorSense laptop like a pro. If this helped, drop a like and comment for more Predator gaming tricks, and I'll see you in the next one.